Okay. So, more than 2 years ago, I started sorting and organizing all of these things around me. All the trash that I collect and slowly building my, let's call it, treasure library of things. And all of these things either I found thrown on the streets, I picked from flea markets and Friday markets here in Cairo, was given to me by friends, family, and even strangers online. I actually not even picked them from Cairo only, but whenever I travel and I find an interesting piece, I would take it off the ground. Um, Also, things that I've kind of rescued from ending up in the trash. So it's I feel that trash is kind of my paint that I create things with. Not just paint, like if I'm an artist, like a painter, but trash is my medium somehow, most of the time. And I did document the whole process while sorting and organizing, and I even edited some of the videos, but I never finished and completed them and published them for so many reasons. Uh, what to say? I wasn't in a good place, and to be honest, I don't think I'm really out of it. But I decided to finish some of the videos and share more than 2 years old footage because it is work I've done and I think it counts. I think it's okay. It's very old and I've already like lived in this for so long, but I think it would be interesting to show you what's inside some of these things. So in the following video is me sorting and organizing everything. It doesn't show all of the things, but it shows many of the things. So you kind of have an idea of what's inside all of these boxes. I wouldn't say it was hard editing this video to look back more than 2 years ago, but it did make me think of things. I mean, a lot has changed. I look different, I even dress differently. The cat is no longer there and I don't even know where he is. The space now looks very different, but at the same time, I feel that not much has changed. People, cats, things, opportunities were just replaced by different things. And it's nice to look at the past and see progress in some areas. Some progress is not as much as I would have hoped, but I think it's because I plan my future according to the best case scenario without taking into account pandemic, wars, heartbreaks, and illnesses. And I think moving forward, I'll plan and assess my goals according to a best world scenario and also a worst world scenario. Much more realistic and much more better for managing my expectations.